Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright, time for the shout out. But first, I want to throw a big thank you out to Donna at Dream Creations and Adventures. She sent me a really nice card. I actually got it a little while back, but because I shot several of these shout out videos in a row, just so I could have them done, ready, uploaded, and scheduled, I didn't get a chance to do it sooner, so I do apologize for that. I thought about throwing it in a cooking video, but this didn't seem like it would fit. Which I also shoot those in advance too, so. Alright. Well, one doesn't seem to want to come out today. We got two out, so we'll go with this one. That will be Jacqui Blanchard. A very sweet lady. Sister from another mister up there in Canada. Is actually cousins with Muskrat Jim Survival. So, and I do not think she has a channel sticker, unfortunately, which is, you know, unfortunate. But still, a sweet lady. Makes really nice, makes great videos too. So I'll link her down in the description along with Donna, and I'll throw Muskrat Jim in there too, just because I mentioned him. But there'll be end cards for Donna and Jacqui, just in case the links in the description don't work for some reason. They just don't seem to want to work, which irritates me to no end. But there you go. Oh, I gotta show the stickers real quick. Alright, so she's got a sticker here. She actually has two stickers. This is like one of those foil type reflective stickers. Right up below Bill Melton and Dave Coulier Camping, and then Volley Theory and Fab Creations and Cat in the North. Then we have her sticker again next to Nicholson Family Homestead, Calazona Outdoors, Muskrat Jim, The Blood and Aronti Sawyer, Shalisa Shell, Orion, Expeditionary Johnny, and Fab Creations again.
Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw in a special thanks to our EMT and first responders, saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.